The second way the HP LATEX 700 and 800 printer series helps you win is with its robust and efficient engine. Now you can do more with less and beat all of your deadlines. That's because this printer series is up to 50% more productive than previous HP LATEX generations due to its fast, high-saturation print modes, which deliver vinyls at 26 square meters per hour in 6-pass and banners at 36 square meters per hour in 4-pass. Achieving such vivid colors at fast speeds is possible thanks to 70% more curing capacity in the curing zone and 50% more nozzles in each print head. But productivity is not only about speed. The HP LATEX 700 and 800 printer series also comes with an improved printing workflow. Spindle-less loading and a raised curing design reduces operator time and enables fast and robust media loading and replacement. A new smart front panel enables you to store up to 100 jobs, reducing ripping time when printing multi-copy jobs. Now you can reorder and reprint jobs directly from the front panel. And when it comes to your fleet, HP Print OS software tools and remote monitoring enable you to maintain total control over your costs and production.